Hello friends, welcome back to Hadi's Ville. The last class we learned how to make the cross. Okay, in this video we're gonna learn the next step, which is solving the first layer. So far, in the white layer we have solved the center piece and the edge pieces. In this video, we're gonna learn how to solve the corner pieces. So that completes the first layer. That means we have to bring the white corner pieces on the corners of the white face. Let's begin with the next step. Let's see where the white corners are located. One's over here, over here, over here, over here. So first we have to look for a white corner piece on the bottom layer. This is the bottom layer. So we have to find if there are any corner pieces which have white in them around here. Here's one. Okay. So let's see which color is in the other side of this corner piece. It is red, so we have to match this to the red. This red corner piece is matched with the red center piece. So let's follow this algorithm. Now go on, take a notebook and write down this algorithm. Okay, which is D dash and R dash and then D and then R. See, that corner piece is solved. Okay, and you would notice that these two colors match, and as well as these two. So that means this came in the spot where it should have been. So let's move on to the next corner piece which has white. Here's one. Okay, the other side of it is blue. Sorry, I missed something. If the corner piece is in the right, we follow this algorithm D dash, R dash, D, R. But if it's in the left, we follow this algorithm. Before doing the algorithm, see if this is matched. No, it's not matched. The blue face is maybe here. Yeah, it is. So these both are matching. So we kept the cube in such a way that the white side is facing us, and it's in the left layer. So the algorithm for this is D, L, D dash, L dash. So both the colors match. So this came into the spot where it should have been. Now let's move on to the next corner piece. So everything is finished in this layer. To apply these algorithms I've taught, the white corner pieces should be in here or here, here or here, here or here, here or here. Which means if it's in the bottom layer, so everything is finished in the bottom layer. So here's one in the top layer. So for this, we need to bring this down to the bottom layer. I mean, not the bottom face, the bottom layer. Okay, so in this there are two cases. Sometimes it would be in the left, sometimes it would be in the right. Now it is in the left. So for this, the piece which corner piece which has white should be on the now it is on the left. So we follow this algorithm. L D L dash, and voila, it's down the bottom layer. So now we follow the same steps and put it in the white face. So I made it matching. I turned the Rubik's Cube so that the white sticker is facing me. Now D L D dash L dash. Oh, okay, here's one. So it's in the top layer and it's on the right. So let's do the algorithm. R dash D R. Okay, it's finished. So now it's already matching, and D dash R dash D R. So this layer is solved, and there's always a T. Okay, there is one more case which would happen in this step. So let me arrange it for you. Now in this case, the white corner piece is on the bottom face. So okay, in the bottom face, so we should bring this just in this corner line. Okay, this is over here. Now it's in that line. So let's do this algorithm. R dash D and R. So it came here. It came to the bottom layer. Now let's do the L D dash and L dash. So it came to the bottom layer. Now I just aligned it and made it face us. And algorithm. Okay, that's all for today. I'm so sorry for the low light because I'm taking this video at night. So now I hope you all understood the concept. So keep practicing these steps. I'll be back with the next step on the next video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now. And if you have any queries, you can comment it down in the comment box. So bye bye.